No allergies naman po so far.
Sa voice namin.
Thank you.
Ayan, dito naman tayo magbablog sa Shangri-La The Fort. Ayan, iba naman ang peg ng vlog natin today. Very social, diba? So today, afternoon tea naman. So tingnan natin yung setup nila kung palaban ba. Okay, let's walk first. Wanna walk, diba? Ayan, may coffee tayo today at may tequila. Ano yan? Sugar.
That's a lot.
Ayan. Pangpatamis. Sa mga bitter dyan, mag-sugar cane.
No? Here. What else do you want? The camera? Isipin natin yung wait lang. You want my bag again? It's not so good. It's nice.
Ayan, nandito na ang ating afternoon tea. So, ito yung next vlog natin. Kaya, abangan nyo. Tingnan nyo naman, oh, ang sasarap. Pakita mo sa kanila. Wow! May chocolates, may green tea, meron ding bread, at talaga namang yummy, yummy. Let's go! Let's do this! Lapit mo, Ash. Ilapit mo. May pinakukuha. Wow! 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 Salmon.
Nice one. Perfect. Oh.
So good. Very good, guys. Sarap.
Thank you, Dayan.
Oh my God.
My God, memories. Memories naman tong laksa na to. Lagi kaming
Ang
nandito.
masarap. Ay, sure kaya.